Welcome back to Mascot Media Video YouTube channel. My name is Gilbert Angonye. My job is to make the web development simple and easy for you in this generation of IT so you can start and finish building your web project. If you value this video, enable to give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. It goes a long way to growing our channel and to make sure that you never miss out of any new updates. This video is considered to be a fundamental knowledge when it comes to HTML in web development. All right, we just finished from table, then we'll get over to the table, get over to test. I create a folder here called test. Inside test, create my file, new. Test.html. When we're talking about test or test formatting, let me just call it fully test formatting. Test formatting have to do with formatting text. For example, now if I write a test formatting, have a header. This is the test formatting. I open it in the server, live server, so that we see what we're doing. This is a test. I need to format it. Can make it to be bold, can make it to be italics, underline. That's what I mean by test formatting. So let's see how we can format our test. There are elements, like I've told you at the beginning of this tutorial from element, that almost everything we do is done by element. Element is the test, is the command that gives us, that carries out every single action. If element says do this, you just see yourself doing it. It's a command. All right, let me write a text in a paragraph. This is a mascot media video. Mascot media video on YouTube. This is a text we save, is up there. And let me say I copy it and decide to another paragraph. Let me leave that. I copy it. Let's say I copy it, then I paste as many as possible because I'm going to use all the text formatting. They are on the page. Now we make it bold. The first one is normal text. Then the second one bold. Second one is so I make it mascot media video. I make it bold. B. I just be looking at the browser at the same time so you see what is happening. Then the next one is italic. I save. You can see why the video will be there. I copy this and I take the subscript. I put it. Let's see what happens. Mascot media have been humbled. Okay, if that's not enough, I take this up. I take a superscript. I put the mascot and I save. You can see what is happening. That's what we normally use. Okay, the same mascot media, leaving the I take small. I put this. Something happened. If you watch this one, it was not humbled. It was not elevated like subscript and superscript, but it was meant to be smaller. If you watch the line here, hit down, open here, and open up. But this one is just elevated. This one was just demoted. So here we have this one was meant to be smaller. There's another one that is being used before. That is big, but big is no more used in HTML5. Big is no more used in HTML5. Let me use big now and see what will happen. Big. Do you see what happened? If I put this, let's see what happened. It made it to be big, but it's red. And that one is no more in line. It's no more in HTML5. So please don't use it. You can see the color. VS Code told you that, look, we don't use this thing again. That's why you have that one. So I'm going to comment that, please. Don't say that I say you should use it. So I have to comment it. All right. There's another text formatting element. That is your ends. I save. Ends means inserted text. After the inserted text, we use our del. That deletes. You can see two of them, see the change in them. The next one will be mark. We save. You can see what happened. The next one is emphasize or use EM. That waste of time. No need. Can see that. If you look at this, for now, it's like I'm true. But don't forget that the browser displays strong as bold because we have strong. Let me copy this and paste more in case. we got knowledge of any other one. We have strong, which we normally use strong. If you see strong, browser display strong as bold and they emphasize as the italics. I hope you can see it here. That's how the browser interprets them. However, there's a difference in the meaning of these tags. The strong tag is seen by the browser as the bold tag. Look at it here. This is the bold. Then look at it here. This is the strong. This emphasize. Look at this emphasize. Mascot media emphasize. And where is our italics? Look at it here again. This and this. Browser sees them as the same, but we say that there's a difference in the meaning of these tags. The B and the I defines bold and italic text, but strong and M means that the text is important. When we use them as developers from the back end, when they are inserted and when we use them, it means that they are very, very important. I don't think I have much to explain in this sense because one, you know what it means. If you have used Microsoft Word, all those text editing apps, you must have known what is bold, know what is italics. We have all seen it. Subscript and Superscript, we all know how they can be used. In the intro, I made mention of maybe you have 2x squared. 2x squared. Okay, what if the x is small? 2x squared. Sub 2x squared. And you save. Let's see what we have here. We have 2x squared. What if it is 10 base 5? Put some space. Then put some space too, so that we can. I have something like this. 2x squared and 10 base 5. Which other way can we see something like this? 2x5 and 2x squared and 10 base 5. So that's where we use the superscript and the subscript. In mathematics or in science, we use them a lot. I do use them in my coding a lot. I don't joke with them because there's nothing else I can do about them. So small is small, italic is italic, bold is bold. You insert, check them. The BR tag, where are you? Old price, normally see something like this. 80 or 890. What did I just do? Please, always put it inside an element. We don't drop things on the ground like that. We put it inside an element. A new price, correct this. New price. The new price now is 840, 850. That's the new price. You have standard equality there. And the old price, to tell somebody we don't use it again, we use something like this and we browse it. We refresh it. You can see the old, sorry. You see that again. We see the old price, 890, is gone. This is where we are now. Let me not forget something else. Something I'm forgetting. Sound like me. Probably don't know why. Too funny. That's underline. You can see the underline and the sat. They are doing the same job, just like the emphasis and the italics. Then the strong and bold. If you're any other text editor, you can find a way of how it's being used. Or you can drop that in the comments. We take care of it. These are text formatting tools. Text formatting elements, sorry. Text formatting elements. Let me put that way. Text formatting elements. That's what we have here. And you have seen them all. If there's any other text formatting element you know we didn't use, no problem. Please drop it in the comment section. We take a look at it. But don't forget that big is gone. And it's gone forever, HTML5. If you try it, you will see something. The mark there it helps in marking something. Okay, I don't think there's any other thing. If there's any, we still get to know. But for now, that's all you can see. If you want to see it clearer, it's here for you. The subscripts and the superscripts can be used in powers and base in mathematics or in science. The del or the delete can be used for something like this. You go to web, they tell you that the price initial was $8.90, but now it's $8.50 dollars or whatever, pounds or whatever. Now slash the price. If the price is slashed, see the old price, see what we're selling now. That thing you see in the browser is like that. This is what they use in doing it. And that is exactly what I've shown you now. I think I've done enough on this text formatting. Thank you, and see you next time in our tutorial. Thank you. Having gone this far, thank you for following me. This is our channel, Mascot Media Video. By name, I am Gilbert Angonye, presenting this very thing to you. It's my pleasure to have you here, and I'm happy you have gone with us up to this level. If you value this tutorial very much, please enable to click that like button, share to friends, and don't forget to subscribe. These are things that will make our channel grow. Like I always say, this channel is new, but I tell you that whatever we're teaching here is not new. But we are trying to put it in the better place, the better position, so that you can easily understand what we are doing here. We are teachers, and we are teaching. We are presenting the best to you, using the best approach, an approach that will make it easier for you to follow in what we are doing. That's what we can solve for now. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye.